If you want to enjoy a turkey for the holidays, you don't have to roast a whole bird. Turkey steaks are quicker, easier, and just as flavorful. They're perfect for when you want that festive taste without an all-day commitment. And today we're going to be making them in the Taima Titanium NutriPan Pro for juicy, golden results every time. Turkey might be the star of the holiday table, but it's also one of the trickiest dishes to master. It can dry out, cook unevenly, and even leave confident cooks frustrated. This recipe turns turkey into an easy dinner win. Quick seared steaks, seared to perfection, and finished in the Taima Titanium NutriPan Pro, so they stay juicy, tender, and packed full of flavor. Start by patting your turkey steaks completely dry with paper towels. Moisture is the enemy of an even sear. Once dry, season both sides with salt, black pepper, Cajun seasoning, and Italian seasoning. Rubbing the spices in evenly will give you that bold flavor that you want. Warm your Taima Titanium NutriPan Pro over medium-high heat. Brush in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Thanks to SlipScale technology, you'll get an even non-stick surface that keeps lean turkey steaks from sticking. Next, you're going to lay the turkey steaks into the pan away from you. Safety first. Let them cook for about 2 minutes so they can form that golden crust you want. Then, we're going to flip them over, cook for another 30 seconds, then add just a dollop of unsalted butter and 2 smashed garlic cloves. Now we're going to up the flavor by tilting the pan slightly, spooning up that melted garlic butter, and basting it over our steaks for about 1 more minute. The even heat of our titanium pan will keep the butter from scorching, and the non-reactive surface makes sure that all you're tasting is pure, clean flavor. Finally, transfer your steaks onto a plate. Let them rest a bit, and then garnish with chopped fresh parsley for some freshness. And there you have it. Turkey steaks that are golden, juicy, and cooked with zero stress. With even heat, SlipScale cooking, and a pan that's light enough for everyday use, the Taima Titanium NutriPan Pro makes meals that usually feel tricky surprisingly easy. Discover yours now at taimatitanium.com.